In this moment, you're standing on the precipice of a world brimming with boundless opportunities. It's crucial to recognize that life's journey isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about the path you forge and the lessons you learn along the way. Embrace the challenges. And don't let the fear of failure deter you. Each setback is a stepping stone, a valuable piece of the puzzle that is your personal growth. Understand that success often comes to those who persist through adversity, armed with self-confidence and an unwavering belief in their abilities. So, dare to dream big, take calculated risks, and keep moving forward with determination. Remember, there are no ceilings to your potential when you refuse to be held back by setbacks. Your journey is a testament to your strength and resilience, and with each forward step, you'll inch closer to realizing your aspirations. Do not forget to support us by subscribing to the channel to receive everything new from us. Thank you.